Well, I'm thrilled. This was something that I've been dreaming about for a long time, and we did it all in house from people around this region. And that's also great. We put people to work, we got the interest of the community, and I hope that we can continue doing this. I think it's wonderful for the community. Been a fan of Paul's for many years, and Bill Kennedy, and things that happen at SUNY are just fabulous. They're doing some great things, and really adding such value to the community.